I hope everyone can see my screen. Everyone can see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So last session we have completed everything. So finally we are having few commands only, that is from 53 to 8. So it belongs to layers. Layer, layer off, layer on, layer isolated, layer lock, layer unlock. Right? So this layers only we have to discuss today. So 6 commands we have. 6 commands we'll discuss. So this class why I have postponed last. This is very important in AutoCAD. Whatever you are going to prepare, either it is HVAC or plumbing, firefighting, electrical, or any building plans or any plans, anything. If you are working with AutoCAD, this is the most important part for AutoCAD. So first what we have, layer. So just opening my AutoCAD, layers means first this everything should be by layer only. See, whatever you are preparing, everything you should create as a layers. So to prepare layers, first one we have layer LA. Just opening my AutoCAD, what I am doing, LA, just I am typing LA. If I type LA, it default selecting layer LA, enter, one dialog box will open. So here you have to create your layers. Here you have to create your layers. So here if you click this one, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, if you continuously if you click, layers will come. If you want to delete any layer, let's say that if I want to delete layer 4, just select layer 4. I am selecting layer 4, select this one, it will for delete. Just go here, click. What happens? See, 1 2 3 4 deleted, 5 was there. And if I want to delete 8, selecting 8, going here, click, 8 deleted. So if you click continuously, what will happen? Whatever I created layer, everything will delete. And the 0 and def points, it will come default in AutoCAD. Right? So in layers, here number of options we have: layer on, freeze, lock, then color, line type, line weight, transfer. So number of things we have. So here we are going to work with color, line type, line weight. These three only we are going to use. What? Color, line type, line weight. So remaining and I as a default we are going to select. So again I'm showing you LA, enter layer. Now let's say that if you are going to create any building, just clicking here. So usually buildings having walls, every part we have to create layers. So building having walls, just I'm typing WALL, wall. And color, here you have to click color. If you know name, you can give name. If you know color name, sorry, code, you can give color code. Otherwise you can select. So walls, usually we are taking color code 8. Just I'm typing 8, enter. So this is my wall color. And line type, here previously we have taken number of things. You can import here. For line, sorry, wall, we are going to take continuous line only. And line weight also, here you are having different lines. So whatever you want, you can select. So for reference, I am going to take 0.7 mm. Okay. And next, after wall, what we are having? Maybe we are having columns or beams. So I am taking column I am having. So column, so this is for your reference. I am taking red. If you know color name, you can type as a red or you can select. So here I am having red, just clicking here. So color red, okay. And column, this line type I am going to change as a normal default. I am taking default, okay, right? And then next, again I am taking, so here I have window. So window I am having, just I am changing color. So maybe I am taking color as a blue. If you not blue, you can type blue, blue, enter. Now see your color came blue. And line type, just I'm selecting here. I'm going for a, previously we have selected, maybe I'm going to for tracks, okay. Wall, column, window, three we have created. And rooms we are having doors, just selecting this one, door. Again I am going for color, so maybe I'm taking green, okay. And here line type has still change, you have to take as a continuous, okay. So here, if you don't want any line type, you don't want to change. Line weight, if you want, you can change. So maybe column or window, I'm going, sorry, door, I'm going to take another point. I'll take for point 0.3. Okay. So this is for your reference, guys. So this HVAC layers, color code, line type, line weight, everything I'm going to give you blocks. There you can easily copy paste again and again. You don't want to do any layers, you don't want to create your layers. So the default things we have, that I'm going to share with you people. So here what I have done, wall, columns, windows, doors. So here I have created 4 layers, as well as I'm taking this one again. So let's say that if you are coming in HVAC SAD, it means supply air duct. So supply air duct, SAD means supply air duct. This color I am taking as a cyan. So this one will be cyan. Okay. And selecting this one again. RAD, written air duct. So this one I am taking some other color. Maybe I am taking yellow. Okay. And insulation. 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 I am taking as a magenta here. This one, okay. So line type will be continuous, I am taking, sorry, hidden I am taking. So this is my hidden, okay. So understood, guys, how we have created layer? Here we have to take line color, we have to give line type, line weight, then I am closing this one. Whatever you created layers, you can see here. So this one we have taken column, we have mentioned door, insulation, RAD, SAD, wall, window. So this many layers we have created. Each and everything, whatever you are creating, for each and every object you have to create layer. Then only your work will easy. With layers we can do number of things. Now what I am doing now, first I am going to create my room. So before creating room, we are having columns. So just taking this one, we can see here columns. Just I'm selecting column. You see here column, if you select a by layer, red color default it will come. REC, enter rectangular. So columns I'm taking, D, enter dimension. Maybe I'm my column having 300 by 300. So this is my column, taking this one. Otherwise I'm going to give here hatching, H, enter hatch, clicking here. So this one I'm going to give this type of hatching. I'm going to increase mine. If you see here blue, why it came means previously we have done work with blue. This one I am selecting as a by layer. So this is my column. This column, number of columns I am going to prepare. CO enter copy. So maybe my column, I have number of columns, CO enter copy. From here to here I am taking reference points and all. And same, this one I am copying, CO enter copy again. First what I have done my column. Then I'm changing as a wall. Just I'm going for selecting wall. If you see here, wall color changed, layer also changed. See previously this one line weight will be small one. Now it's changed. Now REC enter rectangular. So wall I'm going to prepare. You can see now. So compared to this one and this one wall size, that line weight you can see. H enter hatch. So this one I'm taking as a wall. So this is my wall type. Here the things and all we are going to change. So this is my wall. So here we can increase or we can decrease. So this is my wall. Again, CO enter copy. Here for this wall, we can increase hatch property. We can highlight. So if we increase this one, what will happen? Color it will increase or decrease. Here just select and here you can hatch transparency. You can decrease or increase. Correct. This is my wall. Selecting this one again. CO enter copy. So just I am going to do copy paste. CO enter copy. And this one. So boundaries I am creating. RO enter rotate. M enter move. From this place to this place I am moving. So this one I am moving as a near to column. CO enter copy. See, so like this columns and walls I have prepared for my room. Let's say that whatever you are given wall line type, here we have given line type will be more. If you feel more or less, you can change. Again, you can go for LA enter layer. Wall here we are having. So this one we are selected 0.7. If I am going to for 0.35, okay. If you close, now you can see the difference. Previously this line was big, now it's reduced the thickness of the line. Now again, for walls we are having windows. Windows again I am going here, taking as a window. This one I am selecting. So window line type we have selected track, right? L enter line I am taking.
So can any wall layer, the layer thickness can be changed?
Yeah, it will change, sir.
Not for all the, if you're changing for layer thickness, all the walls, the
Yeah, all
thickness
the walls
is
it will
changed.
change. So if
I
you,
want only one wall only I to
yeah, yeah,
like.
that also I'll tell you. So
uh,
let's say that if you are going for construction, so exposed walls means outer walls it will come 8 inch. So inner wall comes 6 inch. So that time you have to create two types of layers. One is belongs to 8 inch, one is belongs to 6 inch. Now if you want to change as a default, if you want to change any default, what you have to do, let's say that this wall I don't want this much line thickness. Just selecting this one, by layer line thickness I'm going for 0.5. Now can see for this one and this one, you can see the difference.
yes.
Yes, so like that also you can change. But the thing is, whenever you are creating new things, for everything try to give new layers only. So here I have created my window, tier double enter trim. This I am going to trim so that here I can see window clearly. Okay. CO enter copy. Maybe I'm going to copy. Here also I'm having window. TR enter trim. Same I'm having window. Let's say that here I am having TR enter trim. Now for this room, how many windows I am having?
Three.
Three windows. Three.
Three.
Yes. Again I'm going for, we have maybe door. Okay, we'll go for door. So just selecting I'm door. See color change, by there also changed, line weight, everything has changed, right? So in this room, let's say that I'm having, I'll create few rooms. A enter arc. Now see here also my layer line thickness has increased. So here I'm having one door. Same like here also I'm having one door. A enter arc. Tier double trim. And let's say that here also I'm having one door. So here this, for this room I'm having three doors. Again now selecting this one, now I am going for ducting. So SAD I am having here, supply A duct, selecting this one. So now see color also changed, by layer also, sorry, line weight also changed. So maybe L enter line. Let's say that my line, sorry, my supply duct is running inside the room like this. And after that RAD, written A duct. Same. So supply air duct and return air duct, right? So supply air duct we are having insulation. Selecting this one, totally O enter half set 50 mm. Maybe after 50 mm I am having insulation. But insulation, another one, right? This one insulation. So what I am doing, whatever the extra things I am having for to prepare insulation, that is I am selecting. And after selected this one, going here, giving name as a insulation. If you see here, line thickness and line type also, it changed automatically defaultly. Just if you go here, insulation. Insulation here, hidden line we have. Understood, guys? Everyone understanding? So maybe it's very near, right? I'm going to give like this double line I'm giving so that there is no confusion. So this SAD and RAD, the further classes we will discuss. So SAD means supply air duct, RAD means return air duct. Though the further classes will discuss about the things and all. Here we'll check our insulation. Sorry, layers. So now we can say that this is a column. See, if you select anywhere, if you select this one, if you select this one, what's showing? Here layer will be column, right? You can see, right? Can see, right or not?
Sorry.
Right. Now
Okay.
if I am going to select this one, what's showing? RAD.
Return air duct.
If I am selecting this one, window, right? If I am selecting maybe this one, it's showing insulation. If I am selecting this one, it's showing a wall. So here whatever we created, for each and everything we are having layers, right? If I'm selecting this one, it's showing as a door. So what we have done, whatever the thing we have, so this I'm telling you guys, this is for reference only, and this one you can for use for real time. Walls, columns, windows. So windows just I made as a single window. So one room we are having different size of windows. For different size of windows, we are going to create different types of layers also. You're getting? Guys, you're getting or not?
Yeah, we are getting it.
Yes.
Yes, we are getting.
So this is how to create layers. Clear? So this link I'm going to end here. I'm going to send new link. Please join immediately, guys. We'll discuss in second link. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.